So I'm really excited about this program in human-centered engineering at Boston College because it really brings the human being into engineering. So when we're thinking about the future of engineering education, we need to think about more than just the technical. We also need to think about the mindset. We want our students to consider the human being as they're developing new technologies. We want them to be able to identify what the real problems are. And so how can we use engineering to make the world a better place? That's what we're focused on.
I got into engineering in a little unique way. It wasn't until my junior year, it was 2019, my family and I went to go visit my extended family in Puerto Rico. And in a period of about 4 or 5 days, we must have lost power every day. Over the past few years with climate change, of course, you've seen these horrible weather patterns growing strongly. Like in 2017, there was a Hurricane Maria, and it's left the infrastructure in Puerto Rico brutalized. It's horrific to see how bad it is years later. So when I finally sat there and I thought about it, I was like, this is what I want to do. I want to help my family and help so many people around the world because I cannot imagine living like this day to day. So when I got more into researching, I was like, I want to be an engineer because I really saw engineers as the people that could help fix climate change, could help so many other people and just be involved. So I really am going to be planning and trying to decide, okay, how am I going to, at the end of the day, take what I'm learning at BC and figuring out how can I give back.
Human-centered engineering for me was really about taking engineering concepts and also applying it to the broader world, trying to not just make things that work and are functionally interesting, but actually have a real purpose that can improve communities. So I really love how BC is taking all these different areas, engineering, entrepreneurship, the liberal arts, so that way I can combine them and see where I can actually make the most impact. So I think human-centered engineering could provide a framework for where engineers can not only learn these technical skills, but also apply them in a way that actually helps the communities in a way that works in the long term, not just the short term.
Learning the fundamentals of engineering, whether it's electrical or mechanical or civil, I think that's so valuable. There are a lot of universities where you can get a very good engineering degree, but there isn't this call to action, now go use it to better society. And that seems like the pillar of the Boston College engineering program. I think the program has got the bones to be a world-class program. I think it's a great addition to the university. And it would be a dream for me to have my daughters want to come here someday.
What a great opportunity to be here with a new building coming online. This is going to provide endless opportunities for collaboration between our students and students from all across campus, many different disciplines. And so the transparency of the new building is really going to be important to the type of education we're planning on delivering here, because we want our students to see that there are no boundaries between engineering and liberal arts, in business, in economics, in social work, in nursing. We need them to all come together because that's what we're trying to do with this engineering program. And I think that's really what our world needs. We need to integrate the science and technology with society's needs. If you really want to make a difference in the world, if you really want to create something that's going to have a positive impact on society, Boston College Engineering is for you.